KC chances this year are just as good as last year's chances. This is a squad that has trained very hard. This is a squad that appears very committed in their workout, and they seem a lot focused. This squad, in fact, I would consider a more mature squad than last year's, and hence the confidence in the camp that this time around there won't be any mishaps.
Last season they were tipped to lift the title and were cruising past everyone like a racing car until they ran into traffic and were put out by an ultra-defensive St Andrew Technical.
As a matter of fact, I was saying to the boys this morning that we have to be prepared for whatever it is that any other team has to offer to us. And clearly that mode of play is one in which we would have to prepare for very diligently. And of course there are persons in the team that can really make the difference if it gets to a situation whereby the games are very tight.
They've since lost some influential players from that squad.
Trey Bennett, Davian Shakes, Javian Brown, Fabian Grant, Anthony Mullins and Rashawn Mackison. Stalwarts from last season's campaign, they have moved on, and I'm proud to say that of the 6 of them, 5 of them have moved on to tertiary institutions.
And Bernard is aware that it's not going to be easy replacing last year's skipper Javian Brown, a reader and thinker of the game.
So what we probably would have done is accumulated a number of persons right across the back who are just as sturdy and who can get the job done effectively. Who remains? Trevor Reid, Kasim Priestley, Nathan Thomas, Ronaldo Robinson, Dwayne Atkinson. Those are the principal ones. Javon James, Cody Smith, and of course Shadeen Rodriguez, our custodian from last season. Well, unfortunately, we won't be having the services of Horace Ramsey this season. And of course, there are some issues concerning Omar Thompson, which is in front of the administration right now.
He is still awaiting permission for the inclusion of track star Rodgers, although Centre Circle understands that he is free to play.
Where Rodgers is concerned, we have to await word. His addition to the group would indeed be a bonus for us.
They are drawn in Group B alongside Ardennes, Cloncarthy, Dunoon, Monaghan and Calabar, who made things tough for them last season in the second round.
The rivalry that exists in the track and field, it will also transmit into the football. So we expect a formidable competition from them, and we expect them to provide us with bringing out our A game on the day. We are indeed motivated to play that game or those 2 games whenever they come around. I think this time around we have to really show who is dominant where the football is concerned.
Is it now or never?
That's a very good question. I'm not gonna say so. I think there is a wealth of talent within the school right now. But we can't look forward to next year. We have to think about this year. Can't put off for tomorrow what is gonna happen today.
When you think about KC, the thought of pressure is never far away.
Working with the Kingston College fraternity, you are never going to be relieved of that kind of pressure. So it comes with the course.